I'm reading Medicine, Floricum Acidum from the Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Floricum acidum is the remedy of the syphilitic miasm. Fluorine, along with other halogen, belongs to the group 8A in periodic table. The halogen have the feeling of betrayal, hurt, and in the failed state, react in the repulsive manner by rejecting, throwing off. In the cope-up state, however, they ever breaking relationships. Fluorine is the lightest, most active, and reactive of the halogen. It forms and breaks relationship very quickly. This can be seen in the symptomatology of the acidum. Floricum acidum is a flirtatious and has many acquaintances but no deep relationships. The term buoyancy has been used to describe the floricum acidum. Its pathological process, however, are very deep and near syphilitic. The theme of floor is that of an incompatible relationship and need to break off. The theme of acid is of a lot of effort and activity followed by the weakness and exhaustion. In the acidum, we see the tremendous effort in the direction of the breaking off the relationship. The situation of the floricum acidum is one where an incompatible marriage is causing the patient a great suffering. He needs to break away from this marriage. Hence, he becomes irresponsible and immoral. Like other halogen, there is a tremendous activity, increased ability to exercise his muscles without fatigue, regardless of most excessive heat of summer or the cold of the winter. Impulse to walk fast, necessity to always be on the move. This last sentence said by Fatak Bhattacharya. The floric acidum person can perform a lot of fits without rest, and all need is short afternoon nap to gain back his energy. The specific direction of this increased energy in the person is indicated by the increased sexual desire. He stands in the street and ugly at women. Floricum acidum person talks very openly about their sexuality even in old age. There is a increased sexual desire and excessive enjoyment. The patient becomes irresponsible and indifferent toward his own family on the outside on own family, but in pleasant and animated with a stranger, and will seem careless, cheerful, exuberant on the outside. All these features represent efforts that could help him break away from the incompatible marriage or relationship. In the cope up state, however, the effort and the struggle are in the direction of not letting the relationship break. This is seen in the acidum dream, the sudden death of his son, and also of the son of his most close friends. Thinks that he's both, in both cases, he has been one of the person who has blamed, reproach himself very much. This dream shows a sense of responsibility and guilt, and also of the caring for their loved one. The opposite fall of the acidum. Physical symptoms are they are very hot patient, sensation of heat escaping from the pores of the skin, desire for cold bathing, craves highly pungent food, cracks in the tongue in all direction, deep-seated destructive disease condition like ulcer, early senility with the hair fall, ridged nail. Rubrics are delusion marriage must dissolve, delusion betrothal must be broken, delusion child out of house he must drive, aversion member of the family too, indifference love one to stranger but animated too, indifference relation too, indifference business affair too, indifference important things too, lascivious lustful, anxiety walking rapidly with make him walk faster, buoyancy deceitful libertinism. Kant says Kant's rubrics are head, hair fall in a spot, tongue cracked in all direction, desire highly seasoned food. Fatak, Fatak says cold and heat both aggravates responsibility, inability to realize, short sleep, ameliorate. And Matia Medica says inability to realize responsibility, aversion to his own family, to those love based, become interested and converse pleasantly with the stranger. This is all about floricum acidum.